day traders, welcome to the copy trading from XM guys here. My first time here on copy trading, but I already studied guys this I would say section of the XM website where you can effectively join and copy your strategies. I will actually explain here how you do it and what you should be looking at. For me guys, look, it's a good thing, right? This is a very good thing because sometimes you need to diversify your portfolio, right? Now I will talk about what you should be looking at and generally how you can approach copy trading sessions. So first guys here, uh, if you go to, let's start actually from the very beginning, right? So when you go to your account, all right, and you join members area, all right, you will see copy trading. From there, guys, you click copy trading and you will see portfolios. Here you can switch from light to dark, but effectively, guys, what I want to show you is something else. So look, I am going to log in to my members area right now. All right. And here, guys, when I'm logged into my members area, you will see different accounts, new accounts, old accounts, accounts that are in profit. You can move money from your account to another. This is standard members area. Here, when you click copy trading, all right, you will be given another screen that looks like this. All right. Here at the top right, there is the name. For me, my name, of course, is the strategy that I use is called Megatrend Hero. So here, guys, when you click Megatrend Hero, you can enter manager bio. So I will write here, for example, my name is Nenad Kerkez, also known as NKT, whatever, guys. The strategy uses my trademark approach, right? So okay, now it actually, so this is how I will do. Okay, so settings, Megatrend Hero, Megatrend Hero. Okay, and here you write BIOS. So 88.6 Hero Trading. All right. For example, here you can put the picture, save changes, and this is all. So profile has been updated. Now, guys, on portfolio section, you will see your own strategy. So if I have a strategy for you, you will have it in my portfolio. All right. In copy trading session, you will be able to see different I would say traders that you can copy trades from. Now, how you choose what is for you and what is actually something that you should avoid? It's pretty simple, guys. You need to know your risk appetite. Now, let's start. I will start from myself. Look, guys, the last thing I have my Telegram channel that many people from XM are already there. And I do trading on my own every single day on XM live sessions. So it's something different compared to here, right? Still, we need to take care about the risk. However, on my own account, guys, I can do whatever I want. And I will show you what I did in the last couple of months on my account. So this is 1,272.57% profit with 5 withdrawals. Here, these red dots mean withdrawals. So I made 5 withdrawals with 1,000% of profit with 74% drawdown. So this is the excerpt from my FX book. For some people, actually, this could be a little bit too much. Here you will see similar, and of course different portfolios. So let's say that I want to trade with bigger risk. and I want to put money on a strategy that gives me high risk. Because, guys, usually, you know how it goes in Forex trading. I'm talking about Forex, I'm talking about gold and crypto markets. There is one thing for sure. If you want to make 100% of profits, guys, you really need to risk 100%. So we are talking about 100 plus percent. In the first example that I showed you on my account, guys, I made 1000% of profits, but the risk was 74.28% drawdown. Now, this is tricky part. Is it drawdown from profits or from the deposit? I always say, guys, if you can afford to risk from profit, then it doesn't matter if you're 80, 90, or 95% in a drawdown, because the risk from the profit is not the same as the risk from the deposit. On my account that I used to trade, the XM Live, I will just show you this. Look, guys, the account history says deposit 1000, withdrawal 1000. So I already doubled this account. Meaning, guys, that now I'm already 100% in profit. If I have a big drawdown from the current balance here, it doesn't affect me, guys, at all, because I already made a withdrawal of 100 of the deposit limit. Here, guys, you can also see. So look, let's start from the first example. When you click on it, guys, it says that this strategy is pure expert advisor. So you need to differentiate. For example, if I'm to put the description of my strategy, I would always say it's pure price action trading. Because, guys, I don't use indicators and I don't use expert advisors. But it's a good description, because it says this is high risk setting, possible burn or loss all capital. That's great, guys, because a guy here already explained that he was using this strategy for 9 months, okay, whatever, and it's a high risk strategy. So, guys, look, from the perspective of success ratio, it's very good. 74% success ratio. My success ratio, I'm not sure if it says in the description here. Yeah, I need to log into my Facebook to see. But look, I know this is very good accuracy, guys. Now at this point, you see some of those trades, which obviously are using Asia Pacific crosses, are in a loss. But it's very clear from this account and from the open trades and closed trades that this is commodity based expert advisor. You need first to understand how Forex works. I know that many of you who come here, guys, to copy trading, you're not interested to know if what are traders, what they do. Basically, you just want to see if he or she is in profit or not. This is what interests you. Can we be in profit? That's all what interests you. But if you take a deeper look, you need to understand that this strategy is based on commodity, currency trading, and Asia Pacific crosses mostly. And I want to say hello to Surendra Yadav, who is watching here. Why is this important? Because, guys, look, you need to understand these are slower moving markets. So even though a guy here says that the risk is high, you need to understand, guys, that look, this strategy obviously use leverage trades because these are just low risk profiles. Look, I don't trade this New Zealand CAD, Australian dollar CAD. When I trade, guys, I will be honest with you, I use high risk. For me, if I cannot double the account, then I don't care. I will not trade. The only thing which I personally care of is to double the account. So if I'm to put money on people who are, let's say, using expert advisors, and I want to put my money on, I will choose always high risk. Guys, let's be honest. Let's be honest. Is it better to step out of your comfort zone and risk more, or you want to risk less and take peanuts? We don't work for peanuts. We work for money. So for me, the only valid option for me personally is to use high risk profile strategy. If I'm to copy trades, I would be using high risk strategy. So look, risk score, that's great. Okay, this is strategy for me. But what if you don't want to use it? Maximum drawdown is 50.88%. Now I would have a question. Is this drawdown from deposit or from profits, guys? Because look, it's not the same if it was from profits, because you don't lose anything. If it's from the deposit limit, then it still can qualify to, I would say, justify the description here. Risk score of 10 with 50% drawdown, let's say from deposit. Is it high risk? For me, guys, it's okay. I can risk 100%. But for some people, this might be a little bit more, you know. So then you need to choose low risk strategy, guys. Look, low risk strategies, you do it with risk score. The lower the risk score, the lower the risk appetite is on the given investor account. So let's say we use the risk score of 2. You now put strategy type: manual trading, expert advisor, and monitored expert advisor. This is also important. If I'm to choose what I would put my money on, I would either choose human, which is manual trading. This is what I do. I trade manually only. I don't use expert advisors. And I would choose supervised algo. Why? Because during Corona, I and my team had algo-based strategy. It was supervised algo. First month, second month, we made 200% profits during Corona. The third month, the account dropped to 75% drawdown. So if it was not for supervised algo, we might have experienced full loss of the account. That's why it's important to understand which kind of strategy, guys, are you using? Human, algo, supervised algo. For me, I would use human or supervised algo. Maybe you can do it algo, but this is something that, guys, if conditions change in the market suddenly, you might lose everything. Look, I don't have more time now to explain all of this, but I will have more of these copy trading sessions. Maybe I will also open my internal investor account, so you will be able to copy trades from my account. But in a due time, we will talk about it. Now, at this point, I'm talking about what you have the option to choose from. I don't have more time now because this is scheduled for 15 minutes. But guys, look, if you have any questions or you want to know more what I do and what other traders do, I also trade live. You can copy my trades every day from XM Live. It's okay, guys. I put all of this open, so everything is visible. You can join the XM Live in the description, guys. All right. And join our sessions. So at this point, we stick to copy trading explanation. And as time goes by, I might also put, and you can join my strategy. High risk, always. Anyway, guys, let's talk tomorrow. Until then, click the link in the description in YouTube and join the XM Live. See you very soon.